Hi friends, hello. Now here today in this video we are going to learn about cough and its physiology. So let's get into it. Cough, it is in short expulsive explosion of the air. It is a short explosive expulsion of the air. Okay, that's the definition of the cough. And here we can see a man who is coughing. So let's get into deep into the physiology and see about how the cough, what is cough and what it consists of. So the lung membrane, this is the lung membrane, and it consists of the mucosa. First layer is a mucosa, and the mucosa consists of the globulate cells which produces the mucus. And this mucosa layer, it's mainly the cells of this mucosa layer are made up of pseudostratified column epithelium, and these are ciliated. Below to the mucosa there is a basement membrane. You can see this is a basement membrane. And this basement membrane consists of a little part of the smooth muscle. Then next to the basement membrane we have the submucosa, and to the submucosa we have a layer of the cartilage. Okay, next we have the brain center. Here okay, and here the epithelium consists of the mast cells, which are the immune cells, and some sensory nerve fibers like RADs and SARs, and we have the C fiber cells. These are nerves will carry, and these are mainly associated with the vagus nerve. These nerves will carry the impulses to the brain. In the brain, to the medulla, and here we'll go into this medulla region. Here from the lung part, the vagus nerve will carry these impulses to the NTS region of the brain. Okay, NTS region of the medulla of the brain. What is the NTS means? It is a nucleus tractus solitarius. Okay, now okay, let's get into the matter that how the cough occurs. The cough occurs due to main two reasons, that is a chemical and the mechanical reasons. Okay, first one is a chemical and second one is a mechanical. Now in chemical, the reasons are because of LTD4 and the histamines and cytokinins and leukotrienes, and the mechanical we have obviously the foreign bodies and the cancer. Okay, now from this the nerve impulses will trigger, and this vagus nerve will trigger, and they'll carry the synapses towards this NTS region of the medulla, which is situated in the brain. Okay, and here the brain vagus nerve, in this region it is after the nerve impulse is triggered, it will carry the impulses to the efferent nerve. Okay, and this efferent nerves are the spinomotor, recurrent, laryngeal and the vagus nerves. From here okay, these nerves are this, and from the nerves the impulses are carried towards the efferent muscles. The efferent muscles are the respiratory muscles, laryngeal muscles, bronchial, smooth muscles. Okay, from here the actual cough reflex will start. It consists of the three phases, that is inspiratory phase, compression phase and the expiratory phase. Now let's get into the first phase, that is the inspiratory phase. In inspiratory phase, the man will he will inhale a deep breath, and due to that there is a increase in the stretching, and the expiratory muscles will increase, and there is a increase in the pressure inside the lungs. Now coming to the second one, that is a compression phase. In this compression phase, glottis, it is a opening to the muscle, lungs, it is opening to the lungs. Okay, so glottis closes. In compression phase the glottis will close, and there is a respiratory muscles will contract, and this contraction of the respiratory muscle, it will results in increasing the pressure inside the lungs. Okay, and the next phase is the expiratory phase, and in expiratory phase the glottis will open. In compression the glottis is closed now, and in the expiratory phase the glottis will open up, and the air is pushed out because of the high pressure which is developed in the compression phase due to the closing of the glottis, and the cough will come out. Okay, I think you have understood the physiology of this, and here we also have the type of coughs. that is barking, it is a habit like, and honking, it is a psychogenic type of cough. And there is a paroxysmal cough, that is a pertussis. And the another one is a productive, which is related to asthma and the bronchitis. And the fifth one is a wet cough, that is a supportive and lung disease. Barking, honking, paroxysmal, productive, and wet cough. Okay. And the another reason for the cough, that is a voluntary control. From the higher brain senses, the cough will start by the voluntary control, and from there the nerve impulses will carry towards the NTS region of the medulla. From there again it carries to the effector muscle, then it continues the three phases, that is the inspiratory phase, compression phase, and the expiratory phase. Okay. And this is the physiology of the cough. I hope you have understood this and enjoy the video. Thank you. And this is Neha signing off.